Good Saturday. What is Saturday? Well, today we're going to be drinking. I'm going to drink. We're going to drink. Not just yet, but we're going to open the bottle. Yeah. So, yeah. Today we're going to be making mac and cheese in our grab-it bowls. The reason I'm only doing it in the grab-it bowls is because I'll eat all the leftovers if I do it in a big casserole. We'll be using our double boiler to make the cheese sauce. Oh yeah. We will not be using eggs. We will not be using condensed milk. We will not be using eggs. We will not be using condensed milk. Eggs and milk. What's the other thing? We will not be using eggs. We will not be using condensed milk. And we will not be using flour. And what you don't see here is half and half. Essentially, we're going to use butter, not shown here, Parmesan cheese, American cheese, Monterey, mild cheddar, a little paprika. Oh, and here's our macaroni. Let's stop yapping and let's get cooking. Saturday mac and cheese and wine. hot right out of the oven. I'm afraid to touch the handle. These things retain heat. Oh. 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 Oh, it's hot. I'm afraid. I'm afraid to try it. Pull back. Let's see. Let's put you in the back. That'll be leftovers for tomorrow. Zoom in. Should we... Let's see, the top is nice and crusty. Maybe I could have used a little bit more sauce. It's delicious. It's delicious. Zeta's happy. I'm happy. Oh, I'm happy. Oh yeah. Is it? Can I touch it? No, that's been out of the oven for a little while. I still can't touch it, but I can eat it. Try it with the stuffing. That was a lot of fun. Thanks for watching.